It's your birthday.
These two, though.
Hey, look at I'm too
You're
late.
3 years old?
I'm too late.
How come you have 2 plates for it?
Now, Melvin. Melvin, how old are you?
How old are you, Melvin?
You're only allowed 1.
3.
3.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Slow down, slow down. You gotta wait, you gotta wait.
We have to get we have to
There we go. Let's get you jacked up a little bit.
Yeah, we have to get light the candle.
There we go. We gotta light the candle, and you gotta blow out the candle.
The candle's done.
No,
That's a 3 now.
3. Carl is 6. You're 3.
You're 3. Okay. Ready?
I'm 6.
All right. There we go. We're gonna sing now. Here we go. Happy to you.
Happy birthday, dear Melvin.
Happy birthday to you.
He thinks.
Wow.
Carl.
Yeah, okay, we have, Mother has to get a knife.
A knife.
To cut it?
To cut.
Oh, yeah,
I like this.
See, look at Happy Birthday, Melvin. That's your name. Yeah. See your name? Melvin. See Melvin? See?
You have a good night.
There you go. Don't put that up your nose now. Okay, come on.
Okay, are we ready?
We're ready, ready.
Dong, dong,
Happy birthday, It's your birthday,
It's your birthday, Melvin. Carl had his.
Yeah, you can see. Here you go, Melvin.
Oh, look at that. Oh, is that big enough?
Here.
Okay.
He's the birthday boy, so he gets his first.
I said the little boys for.
Little boys first. Plural.
Yeah.
Grandpa is next.
Yes, and am I gonna get some water for me, honey?
Yep, you got it right there. Oh,
No,
that's Carl's.
that's
Okay, let me. You want mineral water then, or?
Yeah, mineral water's fine, honey.
Is it big enough?
It's only a single layer, honey.
Okay.
Okay, here. No?
Hey, I've got soy milk.
Here.
Carl, give us milk. Give us a No? It's soy.
Here.
No thanks.
Okay.
I really like soy.
Okay, you do it. Okay. You know how to do it.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Melvin.
You take
Yeah,
the
happy birthday, That's all right.
Oh, well.
That was a good try.
I thought it was good.
I don't have a photograph. I know Melvin would like. Damon would like to see him. You got a video? Okay.